Hi guys, today we talk about Vivo T3 Lite. It's launched on June 2024. The dimensions of Vivo T3 Lite: height 6.44 inch, width 2.98 inch, thickness 8.4 mm. The weight is 185 gram, and the build: front glass, plastic bag, and plastic frame. The display of Vivo T3 Lite 5G is it's come with IPS LCD 16 and color. Screen size is 6.56 inch and 83.6% screen to body ratio. The screen resolution is 720 by 1612 and PPI density is 269. The refresh rate is 90 Hz and 840 nits peak of brightness. The screen production of Vivo T3 Lite is not available at this time. Let's go to the platform. The Vivo T3 Lite comes with Android 14 operating system. The chipset is MediaTek Dimensity 6306 nanometer and the CPU is octa-core Cortex A76. The GPU is Mali G57 and the memory of Vivo T3 Lite is the 4 and 6 gigs of RAM and 1 to 8 gigs of ROM, and it supports micro SD card too. Let's go to the camera setup. It's come with dual camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide and 2 megapixel depth sensor, and it's record 1080p 30 fps video. The selfie camera is 8 megapixel and it's record 1080p videos. Let's go to the battery backup. It's come with 5000 mAh battery with 15 watt fast wire charging. It cannot support wireless charging and it supports 5 watt reverse wire charging. The commons and the features by Vivo T3 Lite come with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS stereo speaker, USB Type-C, fingerprint side mounted, NFC IP64 water and dust resistant, and eMMC 5.1 storage. The Vivo T3 Lite price is $150.